Hello to all traders and welcome back to another video brought to you by Orbex. So we're sticking with the dollar theme on this Tuesday, the 8th of November, as we've seen parity being breached for the first time in a while. We're going to the chart shortly, but is this a break and a confirmation, or are we just seeing a little bit more of an optimism and a push since the NFP numbers were released on Friday? The euro dollar pushing over 200 pips, cable pushing over 300 pips more significantly. So is there a little bit of a cautious turn as we head into the midterms today? Voting is taking place all day today, but we probably won't get the vast majority of the votes until the end of the week. Some states do take a little bit longer than others, as we've seen with the US presidential election a couple of years ago. So is this going to affect the dollar in the near term? Especially, as I said, we've broken parity and it could be a slight confirmation, and actually with the dollar giving up 200 pips, it's fallen for the second consecutive day. So we'll see what today's session will bring as the American session opens shortly. So I just wanted to point out the parity figure, but more importantly, just to see this correction after correction on the euro dollar. We've looked at this before many times in the past, but now, as you can see, we seem to be forming a slight bullish channel in the near term at least. And what we're seeing at the moment is a bit of a shift in this dynamic. You know, if we can keep above parity, this one level, there's no reason to believe that we can't actually keep moving higher for the remainder of this week especially, and actually going into the end of the month as well. But obviously these midterms could give more of a accurate degree of where the dollar is going to be heading up for the rest of the year. Republicans are supposed to be really dominant at the moment, but the Senate is up for debate as well. We've got the House of Representatives that is supposed to be taking, but we'll see if that comes into light. Not too much in the way of divergences on the RSI. Let's bring it down to a 4-hour chart, however, because on the 4-hour chart, we're seeing this bullish channel really start progressing at the moment, and with the assistance of the Ichimoku indicator, we're seeing now that prices are trading above it, meaning there is more of a bias to the upside. So with parity being pretty much level at the moment with prices, very nice consolidation here. However, we're just going to see what the next signal is if we can start moving down to the lower border of the Ichimoku cloud, which is supposed to be the next move because bulls have apparently run out of steam. But you never know, we could see another hit at this previous high, roughly about the 1.01 area, and then another possible leg higher to this top channel regression. But as I said, nothing too much in the way of divergences on the RSI at the moment, so we're not getting too excited if we're going to see another big push on the euro dollar. We'll see, as I said, what the midterms bring and what the next signals and opportunities are. Cable, on the other hand, like I said before, it's actually risen above over 300 pips, so more of a bullish intent on cable, but we are still seeing signs of a slight slowdown. So again, 300 pip move, but like the euro dollar, we are in a slight bearish bullish channel, but we are seeing a little bit of a slowdown in cable. So is that slowdown a big significance that we will start moving lower in the near term as well? We'll have to wait and see, but it is a big indication at the moment. But very strong bullish market from Friday. As I said, NFP job numbers came in better than expected, but it does mean that the Fed is looking to keep tightening and keep hiking rates for the foreseeable future. One more meeting to go before the end of the year, so will that bring any cautious optimism for bulls or bears in that regard? Looking at the 4-hour chart, we are engulfed in this Ichimoku cloud now, so we are seeing possible signs. Like I said, it's a little bit different to the euro dollar. Euro dollar was above the Ichimoku cloud. This is giving us like it's engulfed, so we are seeing possibly more of a slowdown, possible first levels, the 114 handle, and then below that, but we'll see what comes out of it in the near term as well. So keep an eye out for the midterm elections. As I said, they're going to be spread out for the next few days. It's going to take a few days for the votes to count in some states, but give us an indication on where America is looking. And Donald Trump did say, I believe the 15th of November, he's going to make a very big announcement if he's going to be running for a second term. Obviously not a consecutive term, but another term in 2024 as well. So this could actually shake up the markets even further. But tell me what you think. This video will be posted on our YouTube channel as usual, and we'll speak again tomorrow for the latest in fundamental headlines. So take care and bye for now.